Welcome, young scientists and nature enthusiasts! Get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the wonders of the natural world with our science and nature quiz.
What do plants need to grow? Which of these is a source of light in the sky during the day? What do bees collect from flowers to make honey? What do we use to measure the temperature? Which of these is a planet in our solar system? What do butterflies start their lives as before becoming butterflies? What is the color of the leaves in most trees? What season comes after winter? What do you call the shiny objects in the night sky that sometimes form shapes? Which animal says moo and gives us milk? What is the name of the big, bright ball of gas in the sky that we see during the day? What do we breathe to stay alive? Which of these is a natural source of light that comes out at night? What is the name of the liquid that falls from the sky in the form of rain? What is the process where water turns into vapor and goes up into the air? What do birds use to fly in the sky? What do we call the natural home of fish in the water? Which of these is a reptile that slithers and can be found in gardens? What do we use to see things that are far away? What is the color of the sun when it sets in the evening? What do we call the white, fluffy frozen water that falls from the sky in winter? What is the name of the giant, powerful natural force that sometimes happens with thunder and lightning? Which of these is a furry animal that sleeps during the day and is awake at night? What do we use to tell the time during the day based on the position of the sun? What do plants take in from the air to make their own food?